In this video, I'll show you how to delete transaction history on GCash. The first thing to know is that GCash does not let users delete completed transactions from their history. GCash's Help Center clearly says you can request your own transaction history in the app, but you cannot delete transactions from your history. So if you're looking for a delete button inside the app, you probably won't find one, because that option is not supported. This means your past transfers, payments, cash-ins, and other completed records will stay in your account history. What you can do is request a copy of your transaction history if you want to review it. GCash says you can do that inside the app, and they send the record to your email. If your concern is privacy, the other option is to close your old GCash account. GCash says account deletion can be requested in the app by going to Profile, tapping your name, and choosing Delete Account. So again, you cannot delete transaction history on GCash. The history stays in your account, but you can request a copy of it or delete the account itself if that is your goal. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.